Well, Mansory has added another Ferrari to their list, and well, this spec is definitely different, but the power is there. This is the new 296 GTB Mansory Tempesta. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video. Now, if you're a fan of modified luxury cars, well, the Mansory Tempesta should be on your list. The German tuner got its hands on the Ferrari 296 GTB, and the result is simply wild. But before talking about the aesthetics, let's focus on performance, the beating heart of any supercar. Now, the original 296 GTB was already a truly high-performing car thanks to an electrified V6 engine with a twin turbocharger and 3-liter displacement that delivers 830 horsepower and 740 newton meters of maximum torque. Now, with these numbers, the car goes from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.9 seconds and reaches a top speed of 330 kilometers an hour. Now, Mansory was not satisfied with that. Thanks to a new sports exhaust system and various modifications to the engine control unit, they strengthened the engine to 870 horsepower and 750 newton meters of torque. Now, this upgrade reduces the sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers by a tenth of a second while keeping the top speed unchanged. Now, let's move on to the outside. Mansory took a more restrained approach than its previous project. Now, the new Mansory Tempesta Sports editions on both the front and rear bumpers, side skirts, fender details, and a new rear diffuser with an integrated brake light in the center. Now, all these elements feature a multi-fin design which integrates perfectly with the aesthetics of the supercar. Now, Mansory YT.5 wheels measuring 21 inches at the front and 22 inches at the rear complete the exterior look of the modified Ferrari 296 GTB, embellished with the touches of satin black and red accents. Now, the cockpit, it's very Mansory. Now, okay, the German tuner really gave free rein to his creativity. You have covered in yellow leather that covers practically every touchable surface from the dashboard to the seats through the steering wheel and door panels. You also have red details and the Mansory logo on various elements such as the sills, floor mats, and seat belts to add a further touch of Mansory. Now, the new Tempesta is elevated to new levels of power and luxury. Now, this creation, the German tuner will once again dominate its mastery of supercar tuning because they touch every single bit of the car. So with that said, this spec, this livery, what do you guys think about it besides the power upgrades? Just if you guys were to get into supercar modifications, could you get into something like this? This is very wild with yellow interior, satin black, red accents, red calipers. It's definitely different. It's definitely very striking, bold, and pronouncing. And anybody getting a Ferrari, maybe this is something they want. But what do you guys think? Down in the comments below. Are you feeling this? Drop those comments. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon. In case you guys want to donate to the channel, I appreciate the extra dollars. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and social media links. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.